Is your machine throwing an alarm 1, otherwise known as a hard limit stop alarm? I'm here to tell you why it's happening and how to fix it. An alarm 1 is telling you the machine has moved past the actual area you've set in your controller to tell the machine how far it can move without bumping into something. This most commonly occurs when you are jogging or homing your machine. The easiest way to resolve this is by unlocking the machine in gSender and jogging away from the sensor, or manually moving the gantry if required. You will have to power down your board in order to move the machine manually. If you can't unlock gSender, press the E-stop and then open it up again and jog the machine away from the sensor axis that's been triggered. The best way to avoid hard limit alarms in the first place is to ensure your machine is homed each time you use it. Make sure you have the correct machine profile selected in gSender, and have gSender set to the proper maximum travel boundaries for your machine size. In order to do this, go to the Config tab, select Homing and Limits, confirm the maximum travel for X, Y, and Z for your machine. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching. Happy carving.